Warts. The exact cause of warts is not clearly understood. They are caused by a viral infection and over time develop into hard rough growth on the surface of the skin. A wart is most commonly seen on the bottom of the foot, but can also appear on the top. Most warts are harmless, but can be often painful. Now, here's the solution for the warts. I recommend you to use our Comforter Gel Insoles. It has a heel shock pad that provides excellent shock absorption and makes you comfortable when you use it. Or you can use the Comforter Insoles. It has a dual density material which provides a minimal arch support and also can prevent warts.